दिल्ली में राहुल गांधी इस वक्त देश के युवा खिलाड़ियों के बीच हैं और उनसे रायशुमारी भी कर रहे हैं। सीधे लिए चलते हैं आपको राहुल गांधी के चौपाल में।
Structure and the capability to bid for the Olympic Games. It's a big responsibility and it gives a country a particular status. And I think our country is now at the point where we could do something like that. So it is an interesting idea. But there are a lot of other calculations that go into that. But I think it's an interesting idea.
Thank you.
Rahulji, you're a football fan, and you'll be happy to know that the Indian cabinet has under-17 FIFA World Cup. The federation had come to us, the government has supported it, the cabinet has passed it, so we've won the FIFA under-17. So that's a very, very big achievement, and we will be getting the Olympics in the future. Thank you very, very much for coming here. Especially to Shri Rahul Gandhi ji for coming here and spending a couple of hours with us. Thank you very, very much.
तो कांग्रेस उपाध्यक्ष राहुल गांधी युवा खिलाड़ियों के बीच उनकी बात सुनते हुए आपको बता दें कि कांग्रेस जो अपने मैनिफेस्टो बना रही है उसमें उसका कहना है कि वो तमाम हर तबके हर वर्ग के लोगों की राय लेना चाहती है कि उनके लिए घोषणा पत्र में क्या कुछ होना चाहिए। इसी के तहत राहुल गांधी आज युवा खिलाड़ियों के बीच में थे।
Structure that we can possibly give them and how can we deliver it to them. I think what's very important is what you raised, that we enable coaches who are good and then we take these facilities to all the corners of India, not just in Delhi, not just in the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, but in all the blocks, all the districts of India, so that youngsters who have talent can access these facilities. I'm not saying that just because we take facilities to every corner of India, we'll suddenly win 100 medals. But slowly, you will certainly see an improvement in the number of medals that we win. I think one of the sports people today, while I was discussing, made a very important point. That actually sports is much bigger than just winning medals. Winning medals is a very small part of sports. Sports is about health, sports is about fitness, sports is about balance in life. And I think we should also keep that in mind, that there are, no matter what you do, in India, in one Olympic Games, 100, 200 people will win medals. What about the rest of the people? So we must not also forget that there are many other people who benefit from sports but are not competitive. Might not be interested in becoming a Sachin Tendulkar, but still have a lot of room for sports in their life. So I think the focus should be on both those aspects. It should not only be कि भैया medals deliver करने हैं. It should also be that let all our youngsters be healthy, let them understand the value of sports, let them use sports in their lives. I just want to conclude by saying I'm very happy about the policy that you've set up, especially because it takes sports to the villages, it takes sports to the blocks where it is very important sports go.